Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Brigid, renowned as the Celtic goddess of inspiration, creativity, and well-being. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Brigid. What does Brigid represent in mythology? Brigid, the radiant goddess of the Celtic pantheon, emerges with an aura of warmth and creativity that stirs the hearts of mortals. With her gentle presence and nurturing spirit, she embodies the essence of inspiration, healing, and the transformative power of the heart. Brigid, the triple goddess of fire, poetry, and smithcraft, stands as a symbol of illumination and the sacred feminine. Brigid is often depicted as a serene figure with flowing hair, adorned in a green cloak and crowned with a halo of golden light. Meanings intertwine with the essence of Brigid, embodying the diverse aspects of her nature. She represents the flame of inspiration, kindling the creative spark within individuals and guiding artists, poets, and musicians in their craft. Brigid is also associated with healing, both physical and spiritual, offering comfort and solace to those in need. She symbolizes the nurturing aspect of the feminine divine, offering protection, guidance, and the gentle touch of healing hands. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Brigid. The radiance of Brigid, creativity, healing, and eternal life. Goddess Brigid, with her ethereal presence, embodies the archetypal qualities that resonate deeply within us. She stands tall as the epitome of creativity, a beacon of inspiration that ignites the fires of imagination within our souls. As the guardian of healing and rebirth, Brigid's essence permeates through the sacred oak, symbolizing her strength and wisdom that brings solace to wounded spirits. Brigid embodies fertility and protection, deflecting malevolent forces and bestowing blessings upon her devotees. Her benevolent gaze grants us the courage to embrace the fertile aspects of our lives and redirect negativity into transformative energies. She beckons us to transcend the boundaries of time and embrace the infinite nature of our souls, reminding us that the light she kindles within us will forever burn bright. Her presence nourishes our artistic endeavors, grants solace in times of distress, and unveils the transformative power of existence. As we bask in her divine radiance, we are encouraged to embrace our passions, honor the cycles of life, and seek the eternal flame that burns within us all. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Brigid. The column of fire, Brigid's connection to transformative energy. Brigid, the radiant goddess of the Celtic pantheon, is adorned with powerful symbols that hold deep significance. The column of fire stands as her primary symbol, representing her connection to transformative energy. The oak, her sacred tree, symbolizes strength and wisdom. The serpent is also associated with her representing fertility and protection against evil forces. Brigid's symbols inspire creativity, healing, and rebirth, while her teachings guide us to embrace our passions, find solace in the hearth, and care for one another. In her presence, the divine flame ignites inner fires, illuminating the path to renewal and fostering a sense of eternal life. Part 4. The story of Goddess Brigid. Brigid's triple essence, the goddess of fire, poetry, and smithcraft. In the ancient Celtic lands, a goddess named Brigid graced the world with her radiant warmth, creativity, and healing touch. As the triple goddess of fire, poetry, and smithcraft, she possessed a profound understanding of their transformative power, using them to guide and inspire her people. Within her hands, Brigid cradled a sacred flame, an eternal spark of inspiration. She visited artisans in their humble abodes, whispering words of encouragement and igniting their creative fire. With her gentle touch, she infused their works with enchantment, turning ordinary materials into extraordinary masterpieces. Brigid's poetic prowess flowed like a melodious river, captivating hearts with her words of beauty and wisdom. Her gatherings were filled with stories of love, courage, and the cycles of nature. Through her verses, she wove healing energy, soothing wounded souls, and rekindling hope in those who felt lost. As a skilled smith, Bridget crafted intricate jewelry and tools with her nimble hands. She shared the ancient secrets of her craft, passing down wisdom from one generation to the next. Through the act of creation, she instilled pride and purpose in the hearts of those who worked diligently. Beyond her artistic abilities, Brigid's influence as a healer was profound. She possessed an innate understanding of the body, mind, and spirit. Seekers of wisdom flocked to her in times of illness and emotional turmoil. With tenderness, she tended to their wounds, offering comfort, herbal remedies, and an empathetic ear. Her touch held the power of transformation, bringing balance and wholeness to those in need. Throughout the land, Bridgid was revered as a beacon of light and compassion. Sacred fires were kindled in her honor, representing the eternal flame within each person. Festivals and gatherings celebrated her presence, filled with storytelling, music, and dance in her name. With each passing season, Brigid manifested in different forms. Spring saw her embody the budding flowers and returning warmth. Summer found her dancing in fields, rejoicing in the abundance of life. Autumn adorned her in the colors of falling leaves, reminding all of the beauty in letting go. And in winter, she wrapped herself in a cloak of snow, offering comfort and protection in the cold months. Brigid's legacy endures, inspiring countless souls to embrace their creativity, ignite their inner fire, and nurture the healing energies within themselves and others. Her story serves as a reminder of the power we possess to bring light, warmth, and transformation into the world. In moments of inspiration, creativity, or the need for healing, remember the gentle presence of Brigid. Embrace her teachings and allow her spirit to guide you on a journey of self-discovery, artistic expression, and compassionate living. Part 5. 3 strategies for personal transformation. Tapping into the power of the Brigid archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace creative expression. Engage in activities that inspire and ignite your imagination, such as writing, painting, dancing, or playing a musical instrument. As you immerse yourself in these creative pursuits, networks within your brain spring to life, catalyzing a flow of thoughts and ideas that can shape your transformational journey. Embrace the freedom of self-expression, allowing your inner fire to illuminate new paths and possibilities that you may have never considered before. Strategy 2. Cultivate healing and rebirth. Draw inspiration from Brigid's role as a goddess of healing and transformation. By seeking ways to heal emotional wounds and release past burdens, you can harness the brain's remarkable capacity for change. Engage in practices that promote self-care, such as meditation and mindfulness. Neuroscientific research has shown that these practices can induce changes in the brain's structure and function, promoting emotional well-being and facilitating the release of past traumas, making space for new neural connections to form. This process, known as synaptic plasticity, allows for the creation of fresh pathways that support personal growth and transformation. Strategy 3. Celebrate sacred rituals and seasonal festivals. Celtic traditions place a strong emphasis on sacred rituals and the celebration of seasonal festivals. Learn about the Celtic festivals, such as Imbolc, associated with Brigid, and engage in rituals or ceremonies that honor the cycles of nature and the turning of the seasons. Create your own rituals that connect you with the natural world and invite spiritual growth. Seek out community gatherings or join groups that celebrate Celtic traditions. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that, at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Create a sacred space by setting up an altar with candles, symbolizing Brigid's sacred flame. Choose a quiet and serene location where you can focus your energy. 2. Begin by lighting a central candle, symbolizing the presence and guidance of Brigid. As you light the flame, visualize Brigid's radiant energy enveloping the space and filling your being. 3. Take a moment to reflect on your creative passions, desires, or intentions. Allow yourself to connect deeply with what brings you joy and fuels your creative fire. This is a time for introspection and self-discovery. 4. Write down your creative passions, desires, or intentions on a piece of paper. Feel free to express yourself authentically, pouring your heartfelt aspirations onto the paper. Place the paper near the flame, symbolizing your intention to manifest these creative energies. 5. Take a moment to sit in quiet contemplation, allowing Brigid's inspiration to flow through you. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and immerse yourself in the energy of the moment. 6. To conclude the ritual, extinguish the central candle, symbolizing the integration of Brigid's energy within you. As you extinguish the flame, envision Brigid's essence merging with your own, infusing you with the transformative power of her inspiration. A final message. Words of wisdom from Brigid. Ignite your inner fire, unleash your gifts, and watch your world transform. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.